is so dangerous. Hey guys, and welcome back. I know it's been a good couple of 16 years since I've posted, no, not really, but it's been quite some time since I've posted a video, and you guys are almost wondering, like, hello, where's your hair growth journey? What's happening? Can we please have some updates? And this is why I am here today. So let's get into this video. Now, I want to use this QuickGrow Smoothing Treatment mask. I've never done any smoothing treatment or keratin or Brazilian in my hair, so I have absolutely no idea what to expect or if I'm going to do it right in the first place. And I would very much like to see the results and also just document the results and everything so that you guys can have this experience with me. So if it's your first time as well, get ready and let's get started. So before we get started, just a couple of things with the smoothing treatment mask. So this is a 3-step smoothing treatment that is easy for you to use it at home or at your favorite hair salon. And right now it is not a salon, I am doing it at home. So that's why I say we're going to experience this together, guys. Now, I know one of the questions is going to be about all of the curly girls out there. So if you've got curly hair, don't worry, it's not going to affect your curl or the structure of your curl. It is only going to affect the frizz. So what makes the QuickGrow Smoothing Treatment different, or what is basically setting it apart from all of the other treatments that are out there? So it is a formaldehyde-free formula that is effective and safe to use, and is basically going to give you that smooth and silky hair without the toxic fumes or the harsh chemicals. So this treatment uses bioaffinity technology that attaches healthy keratin to the damaged sections of your hair, thus creating this mesh to protect your hair from split ends, snapping, and breakage basically. Now the results is also going to last you 3 months, so 1 use equals 3 months. So if you basically do it 4 times a year, then for a whole year you will basically have silky and smooth hair. Now what this smoothing treatment claims to do is that it will give you 60% more shine in your hair and 60% stronger and faster growing hair. It also cuts your drying time by 50%, which if you guys know or if you guys have been following me for quite some time and before I stopped making YouTube videos, your hair is the most fragile when it is wet. So if you can cut that drying time by 50%, that's a bonus. It also reduces frizz and split ends by 40%. Now guys, isn't that amazing? I'm almost done yapping. Now if you guys want to go grab yourself a QuickGrow Smoothing Treatment in the meantime, you can just go to the link in the description box below and use my discount code then you don't have to pay full price. Why do we want to pay full price for anything? Use the discount code. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to get dressed in my activewear for you guys to see exactly how my hair looks like. So good before and after videos and photos and so on. So this is my hair's current condition. It is a little bit on the dry side due to the dry winter air. So it is a little bit frizzy, nothing too unmanageable, but this is how it currently looks like, and this is just a different angle. I am hoping we've got it. Let's get started. The first things first, what is in the box? So you will see that you will get, now this is just the first thing I took out was the step 2 smoothing treatment, the treatment itself. But the step 1 is your clarifying shampoo, then you've got your blonde icon conditioner or hair mask, and then you've got like this cute little instruction manual where you just scan the QR code and all the instructions are there. Now step 1 is the smoothing or the clarifying shampoo. It does say that you need to use it twice. So the second time you just need to leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes, and then obviously you do it the second time as well, just to make sure it is 100% like all your hair has been clarified. So this is just me using it the first time. Now it is clear, like a clear liquid form, and when you put it in your hair, it is quite amazing. And that's basically just me using the second time. And now we are busy drying my hair. And straight after towel drying, we're putting on step 2, which is the treatment itself. And don't worry about my sectioning, but I just started at the back and I'm massaging it in from my roots straight to my tips. After the section has been saturated, I do go in and brush it just to make sure it is 100% saturated and distributed evenly. And please, again, don't mind my sectioning and just enjoy this speed warp of me putting in the treatment. Once I went in with all the sections of my hair, there were quite a bit of treatment left. So basically what I did was I just went back in, focusing a lot on my ends or my midsections to ends. And honestly, it felt like I'm just not going to get to the end of this bottle. Like, really, there's quite a lot of treatment in that little bottle. And yes, yet again, after I applied the treatment, I do brush it through to make sure it is distributed evenly. So I've got the hair treatment on, and now I need to leave it on for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, what I'm going to do is I just have to wash or rinse it out completely. I need to make sure that there's no more product in my hair basically, and then I'm just basically going to go in with the hair treatment mask. So it's like, but it looks like it's the purple one, so I know that it's going to tone my hair as well. So yeah, I'm going to check with you guys once I'm finished, and then it's basically time for the heating process. And yeah, let's get going. Now, before I forget, on their webpage, on the instruction manual, it actually shows you exactly how many passes you need to do according to your hair type. So this will help a lot in guiding you with your hair and specifically. So I just finished rinsing off the smoothing treatment, and straight after that I put on the blonde icon hair mask that came with the 3-step kit. And I left it on for 5 minutes, I rinsed it, and I towel dried my hair. And one of the crucial steps is that your hair needs to be bone dry before you can actually go in with the straightening iron. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to dry my hair bone dry. Please enjoy the couple of moments of me just drying my hair and not yapping regardless of this voiceover. I must say that my hair has it's drying a lot faster already, so that's a huge bonus for me. Okay, so my hair is about 98% dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it 2 minutes, and then I'm going to go in another round just to make sure it is bone dry before I go in with my hair straightener. Another few moments of me drying my hair and auditioning for America's Got Idol before noticing I've got an audience outside and I do not have ADHD. Okay, so for my hair type, we're going to do 6 passes, and this needs to be at 170. So let me just put 170 there, 170. Now I just need to wait for it to heat up, and then I can get started. So in all honesty, I'm actually very scared of using heat on my hair, but it's the heat that's going to help it. So let's do this. 170, 6 passes. Let's go. Please don't judge my sectioning, I'm terrible at it. Would you look at that? I think I like it. I am so happy. Anyways, back to work before I get too distracted and then I'm delaying everything. But I can't stop feeling my hair right now, guys. Ooh, this is dangerous. This is very dangerous. Oh no, this is dangerous. Guess who's gonna do it every 3 months? Stop touching your hair. Stop touching your hair. Stop touching your hair. Just finish it now. And then you can touch your hair. This is so dangerous. Like, I think once you're going to start, you're not going to want to stop. Especially with the fact that you can do this at home. No ways. So this is my hair after. The shine is unimaginable. I have to ask the question if this is actually really my hair, because I'm just so happy with the results currently, and my hair is so silky smooth and soft. It actually detangles itself. Guys, I don't really have words to describe the amazing results that the smoothing treatment have. On the QuickGrow Smoothing Treatment, get it. Just go get it. You will not be disappointed. It is the next day and this is my hair still, and it is going to stay like this for up to 3 months. So I am very happy with the results. I actually cannot stop touching my hair, so I need to stop touching my hair. But definitely do get it. You guys won't be disappointed, and you don't have to pay full price for it. If you want to grab your own, you can just go click in the link in the description box below and use my discount code. I think that is it for now. Please do like and subscribe. I am going to try and make a little bit more YouTube videos, especially when it comes to testing out products and my new hair care and hair growth routine, because my hair used to be short. It was about here-ish before I started the QuickGrow treatment. Oh, look at that shine. Okay, that is it for now, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!